Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my Policious. So today we want to build a cement stool. I hope it comes out good. So it's me, my nephew, my dad. So let's see. Come I'll show you. Okay, so the next step will be cutting the wood. Should I call them wood? Yeah, cutting the wood. This will be the stand, the stool. And that's my nephew and that's my dad. They're busy. So first you cut them so we have small little pieces. Dad, can I see those? Yeah. So make sure they're all in the same length. Okay, so after that, next step is... Okay, so the next step is cement. Hey, mengangana. Hey. Kwa vijana wa baby. Yes, our next step will be to mix the cement with water. Tufungue tu vizuri. Dadi unaielewa? So tuta mix cement with water and then, so I'll show you guys. I bought these two. I bought this one and that's my sister. Say hi. Hi. So I bought this basin and this one, so I want to use those, but now I'm thinking maybe I should use one of these and then use this one because I need the shape. See the bottom shape? Yeah, I want to use the bottom shape, so I'm thinking of this and the other one. Okay, let's see. Cement is now ready. You can see it's hard. They've done a really good job. Good job, Daddy and Billy. Very good. So now the idea is you have a bucket, then you have your wooden sticks. So you put them in there, and then I have a cooking oil that I want to apply inside the bucket so that it doesn't stick when I remove it. So cooking oil, I'll spread it inside and then it will not stick. Guys, it's day 2, the second day, and it's now stiff, but my brother went in the room and pulled one out. He pulled one out, so that's why you see it looks like that. So I asked him why, and he said, oh, he was just curious what it was. So he pulled one out, but it's still okay. So we'll try to take it out. Billy, come. Try to pull it out. Let's see how it looks. Sorry guys, we just woke up, so we're in pajamas. There you go, there you go. Oh no! That is not good. That is not good. So we need to put more here. Yeah, that was not good. So it was first try. Didn't go well. So we'll put a little cement there. Let me see. So since yeye aliharibu, nimemforce arekebishe hiyo shimo. So he's trying to fix the hole. Gav, you're laughing. Una mix hapo tena. Ikwe flat kama hizo side zingine level. Then we leave it to dry for another few hours.
But since cement doesn't need sun to dry, tutakuwa mwage tu maji.
Tumwage tu maji? Na hapa iko flat level moja. So I'm thinking of painting white and then the legs also white. But so far inakaa poa.
Sivyo?
Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so this is day 3. We've decided to paint our stool. This is how it looks like. So we want to go for white top. Billy, white?
White.
And then this leg white until here. What do you think?
Somewhere here.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's start painting. So we have a brush. Daddy, do not make YouTube video. Guys, don't worry, those are my parents. Look at them. Still constructing things and talking. Hey. Oh, sorry, wait. So we will paint the top white. See your Billy? Okay. So I'm starting the top. Or should I start with the legs?
Start.
So I think we'll do like 3 coats. This is the first coat. Mama, can you see? You see this, Mama?
Mama, say hi.
Okay, then I'll go around. Okay, so I'll do this off camera, then I'll come back and show you how it is afterwards. Ciao. So now I'm painting the legs. The first coat. So guys, I put sellotapes down here so that when I finish, I'll just remove the tape and it'll be white. So it'll be a straight line. Okay, so that's the first coat. Then I'll wait for it to dry a bit. Then I will go to, so that's the first coat. After it dries, I'll go for the second coat, and then I'll show you guys how it looks like. Good. Okay guys, so this is the second coat, and it looks okay. Looks really nice and white. Okay, yeah, it looks nice. But this was my first try, but the second one will definitely be better. So the next time I try, I'll try to get bigger stands, like a little bit or what will I say, like bigger woods. These ones were a bit thin, so a little bit bigger. And then here I'll try to make it a bit smoother, because on the sides, if you can see, they didn't come out really smooth, the edges. So next time I'll make it a bit smoother. This was just a trial and it came out okay. Not good, but okay. Yeah, so at least you get the idea. So you can get a stool with cement, paint it the way you want. If you want, you can only paint the bottom part white, and then the rest is brown wood. Or you can leave the gray from the cement. It still looks beautiful. Yep, that will be my stool. So here I'll put a flower vase on top. I think it will still look beautiful with that. Or I can just leave it next to the bed. Let's see, I don't know what to do with it, but let me finish it first. So once they dry so well, I'll remove this tape. This one here, just remove the tape, and then it will make a very good line there. So yep, that's my cement stool. Okay, so we are done. It's all ready, so I just want to remove the sellotapes. Okay, so we have a clear line. I've removed all of them. So this is how it looks. Not so perfect, but it's okay. Good job, good job. Okay, so Billy, come with me. Let's see how it works with the flower vase. Okay, so this is the flower. So I'm thinking of putting it here. Somewhere. Okay, so let me try. Oh, it's sharp. Okay, here. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at this. Just cement, which is like 500 bob a bag. You can take a small one for 200 bob. And then the sticks were like 50 bob for all three. And that's it guys, just 250, and you have this beautiful stool with a flower vase on top. Okay, so that's it for my my little YouTube video. I hope you liked it. Subscribe, share. Actually, this is my 4th YouTube video. I don't even know how to shoot, but I promise you to be much better later. So ciao.